Tidy up the room.
Please tidy up the room before guests arrive.
Put away clean clothes.
I need to put away clean clothes after laundry.
Put dirty clothes in the linen basket.
Put dirty clothes in the linen basket, please.
Make the bed.
I always make the bed after waking up.
Beat the rug.
I go outside to beat the rug.
Vacuum the floor.
I vacuum the floor every other day.
Put on pajamas.
I put on pajamas before going to bed.
Brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth twice a day.
Floss.
Remember to floss after brushing.
Wash my face.
I wash my face before bed.
Apply lotion.
I apply lotion after every shower.
Get into bed.
I get into bed by 10 p.m.
Get out of bed.
I get out of bed early every morning.
Set the alarm.
Don't forget to set the alarm for tomorrow.
Snooze the alarm.
I snooze the alarm twice before waking up.
Read a book.
I like to read a book before sleeping.
Watch TV.
I watch TV after dinner.
Listen to music.
I listen to music while working.
Journal.
I journal every night before bed.
Pray.
I pray together every evening.